After the crash settles and fear fades, the smartest move is figuring out what to hold for the next bull run. When markets crash, they clear the way for fresh opportunities to emerge. The key question becomes, which assets should you actually hold as the market prepares to climb again? Professionals don't guess. They follow a clear method to rebuild portfolios and catch the next wave. They start with crash recovery, analyze what's left, pick strategic positions, and position themselves for the bull run ahead. Let's explore how to build wealth through smart portfolio strategy after market crashes. When markets crash, weak companies vanish, strong ones survive, valuations reset, and new leaders emerge. A crash clears the field for fresh opportunities. But most investors stumble by making a few critical mistakes. They chase hype, buy yesterday's winners, ignore fundamentals, and forget diversification. New cycles create new leaders, not the same old stars. A resilient portfolio rests on 4 essential pillars. First, quality leaders with strong balance sheets, real earnings, and global dominance. Second, growth innovators in AI automation, clean energy, digital finance, and biotech. Third, stability and income from dividend stocks, infrastructure, consumer staples, and utilities. Fourth, protection through gold, cash buffers, and defensive funds. Here's a practical framework for allocating across these pillars. Consider putting 55% in growth leaders, 25% in stability and income, 12% in innovation themes, and 8% in protection. Not a rule, just a roadmap you can adapt. Now let's talk about how long to hold these investments. Bull markets last years, not just a few recovery months. Hold quality positions, rebalance yearly, and let compounding work its magic. Time is your biggest ally in building wealth. But how do you enter the market safely after a crash? Buy in parts, scale slowly, and stay patient throughout the process. Discipline beats excitement every time. Your post-crash portfolio might include stocks, ETFs, real estate, or gold. Crashes end old stories and create the next generation of wealth. If you found this useful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated. Coming up next, we'll walk through building a complete 5-year wealth plan from the ground up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you